Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious stir fry. It's so easy to make. So you need a Celtuce, some pepper, and then some carrot. And this Celtuce is so rich in vitamin C and manganese, and it's so ideal and very easy to make. So you start with pulling off the leaves at the top like this, and then you need a really good peeler to peel the back off because it can be very tough. Here you have to put some shoulder into it and make sure that you get the tough back off. And then you cut it into slices, or you can cut it any way you like. Usually we cut it this way, and then we are cutting our carrots into similar shapes and sizes. And also we are going to prepare our pepper and then set that one aside. So here I'm going to put the Celtuce and the carrot together. We're going to wash them because they have almost equal thickness, and we're just going to drain the water. We already have our water is boiling, and once the water boils we are going to add this. So here our water is boiling, and we are going to add in the Celtuce. You should make sure that everything gets into the water, and then everything is well covered. Then we're going to just add a bit of salt, and then we are going to add our oil. This gives it a bit of a fresh color. When everything is done, the salt is going to get in there. We're just going to cook this for 2 minutes. Mind you, the water was already boiling, so this really finishes fast. So now we just drain this. We don't want to overcook this. We just drain it, and then we are going to wash it with cold water to stop the boiling, and then set it aside, and then we'll prepare the rest of our vegetables. It's just the garlic. We're really cutting this quickly. I'm going to add some spring onions, just the white part, to give it some flavor, and then we are going to get going. Now I'm using 5 eggs in this recipe, and we're just going to quickly fry our eggs this way, making sure nothing is overcooked. So this shouldn't go on, like the cooking of the eggs shouldn't go on for more than 2 minutes. So just quickly, just giving this a quick fry, and then we are going to get this out of the pot. So now we're just going to stir fry everything again. I'm adding in some oil, and once the oil is sizzling, we are going to add in our spring onions and garlic. The garlic is fragrant, so we are going to add our vegetables. And mind you that we didn't steam the pepper, but we are going to add it in at this stage. Then we are going to add a bit of chicken stock, just a little bit of chicken stock, and then give it a quick stir. Then you can add a bit of salt. This you can add to your own preference. You can add this to your preference, and continue giving this a quick stir. And we are going to add a bit of oyster sauce to this. Then we give it a quick stir. This has been cooking for about a minute. We don't want to overcook this. Then here I'm adding cornstarch water, and this step is actually optional. You can use regular water, but for many Chinese recipes, when you use the cornstarch water, it makes it a bit, glossy, and it's all part of the, food is all about decoration. So the cornstarch water adds in more flavor, and it makes it glossy, and it gives you this kind of soupy thing. So we added our eggs in at the very last minute, and this is ready to eat. And it was so delicious and so healthy, and the Celtuce was so crunchy. So please try this at home, and let us know how it goes. Let us know how it goes. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this. Subscribe to our channel and like this video.